Okay, we're recording now. Right at the little red light?
Yeah.
Okay.
Finals.
Alright, finals. Game 1.
I'm in finals again.
Chad.
And I go first.
Chadsworth, the Chad Armijo, playing windups. And Vegas.
The Chadsworth on Twitter.
Vegas.
Can you shout out to Silent Thunder using his name?
If you want to follow me on Twitter. Just kidding. The Chadsworth.
It's Chadsworth, the Chad Armijo. Okay, so Chad's gonna 5-card loop Vegas and win. So
I have a shitty hand.
not on YouTube.
What is this?
Shh.
We're basically playing to see if Justin gets packs.
You won't Stormy, go.
Tank.
Chadsworth sets 3 and says go.
Oh,
Vegas draws.
Oh damn. Oh damn. Oh damn. Oh damn.
That didn't even
Oh
make
damn.
any sense.
It's okay.
Normal.
Vegas normal summons an Eclipse Wyvern.
Can't warning that, can you? That's fine.
And swings into Chad.
18 FPS.
We don't need commentary.
Yeah, we do. I want to know.
Allowing him to attack and Chad taking the 1800 life points. Chad draws his card. Is it 18? 16.
Oh man, I've been cheating all day.
I'd rather take 2,000 now than take 32.
Chad passes. Vegas draws his card, shuffling his hand a little bit, pretending like he has something, even though we all know he really doesn't.
Shut up.
Vegas summons Axe Dragonoot.
That's a light in the dark. It's Dragon 9.
Sorry.
Chad thinks about it.
Wait, hold on. Light in the dark.
Warning. Book a moon. Come
And Chad activates Torrential Tribute.
I lose now.
Response to its effect decode.
He uses his Eclipse Wyvern's effect to...
Terrible hand. Let's go to game 2 now. Stall until like 8 o'clock. Please piss everybody out. No, I want to get out.
And Vegas removes Red Eyes Darkness Metal for Eclipse Wyvern's effect.
He's the one that started the tournament at 2:30.
Yeah, 2:30. Okay.
So, still effective.
You heard it here. You heard it here.
It's YouTube! They're gonna tell Vegas what's in your hand. Vegas summons Soldier.
Effect.
And after removing the Eclipse Wyvern, he adds Red Eyes Darkness Metal to his hand.
Fine.
Attack.
Look at the whole thing.
He attacks and it gets blocked.
Go.
Duh. With the cube.
Vegas ends turn and Chad draws.
Are you fucking... How are you in finals?
Oh dear. Chad mind controls and makes the soldier remove himself.
Sure.
Chad summons Windup Rabbit
14.
and swings for 14.
Okay.
Factory.
Chad activates Windup Factory
What a bitch.
I don't give no fucks about
and ends his turn. Vegas draws.
What a bitch.
Jerks off.
Hey, it's really how I feel about guys. Either they have yours or they don't have it. So
Go.
Vegas ends his turn and Chad removes Windup Rabbit during the end phase to add Windup Shark to his hand.
I don't care if you're trying to bluff the goers, I'm still going to swing. Unlike that one guy.
Chad draws his card and during the standby phase, Windup Rabbit returns.
I don't care though.
Chad summons Windup Rat and off of the summons Windup Shark, getting the effect of Windup Factory to add another Windup Shark to his hand.
Wait, you can only get 4 cards, so leaves me at 2.
What? What? I can't strip 5.
You strip 4.
I can strip 4?
Chad exceeds summons the rabbit and the shark to make.
Level 4, guys. He never declared Shark's effect. YouTube, Shark is now level 3 because I activated his effect. Right.
Chad activated Shark's effect at some point, even though, and then summons Windup Carrier Zen Mighty.
Yeah.
Uses his effect. Mighty Zen Mighty. It's spelled with an A.
I give 2 fucks what you think.
And uses the effect to special summon Windup Hunter from his deck.
Gary's effect. How was I getting 4 cards again?
Go for it.
Chad then tributes off the Windup Carrier, and everybody, you know what happens here. I'm not going to keep talking for this.
Good, don't do that. Don't let it be. Don't let it be.
Dick! I could chain, right?
No.
No, not anymore.
Bitch! What a faggot.
Who shoveled it more?
I shuffled it!
Oh, rabbit.
Okay, that was terrible.
Did you use the Archeon and cash?
1 out of 6.
That was really cool. Why are there so many cards in
Say you
here?
wanted the Barclay.
Because I summoned them.
She's
I
on
don't know.
Archeon. Why'd you go so much?
Because I needed the light in the grave.
For Levier.
Well, now there's no letting the groove.
Well, I didn't know you had mind control.
I did.
How much cash?
Hey, look.
I got $20 on Vegas.
One more dart, and you're gonna drop a dart.
Hey, deal. We have it on YouTube. I got deal.
No, fuck that.
Don't be fish.
Get $20 on Vegas. Watching Vegas is losing.
He's looping him.
I get to hit you.
Huh?
I get to hit you.
Oh, no.
I would get hit for $20.
I seen Josh get smacked in the face for 5, so.
I'd let someone kick me.
Bro, my guy
I got the iPod in my phone.
You know there's a chance of you dying, right?
I'll do it.
For 20 bucks?
I don't want to be aggressive because I can just do it next turn.
Kez, will you slap me for $5? I still owe him a slap.
Yeah, hey, Kaz, get over here. Because Protege still owes you that slap, remember? Jansport.
I remember this.
Why are everybody laughing? There's only me, Protege, and Kez in the car.
I know, you guys suck.
I still remember this though.
Remember what?
Activate.
On your side, fucker.
You weren't even there.
Wind up.
It was in a car.
Kez, they're fucking crazy.
It's the same hand.
I
It
know.
was on your side.
Nation-wise on your
Boo.
Deja vu.
Like a good neighbor.
State Farm
Choose one.
With a loop.
Nope.
Okay, what's working on what?
With a tour guide.
Wait, what's going
Fuck
on?
that, I want the sandwich. I just had the miracle
Now you
sandwich.
can play a card.
Shut up. I don't like your attitude.
Oh, sorry. Vegas plays solo recharge, discarding a Lila to draw 2 cards and mill a Dark Flare and a Card Trooper. He removes and summons Sorcier.
Sure.
Effect.
Activates the effect to remove Zen mains, but the effect gets Veilered. Go figure. Vegas then activates Mystical Space Typhoon on Chad's Wind-Up Factory
Go.
and sets 1 card face down.
I'm gonna lose. I can't drop it.
Chad's turn.
I'm not sure if I like this.
Chadsworth draws
Yeah, I do.
Got too many.
The Chadsworth on Twitter.
Wait, how the hell do I hit
Hurry.
and summons a Wind-Up Soldier, and off of that summons Wind-Up Shark.
one?
Hunter.
Hunter, whatever. I always call him Soldier,
back camera.
even though Wind-Up Soldier
agree.
sucks.
Wind Up Soldier's great. Attacks over a T-King.
Okay, so what's that?
The only good thing about it is attack. Like Zen Man, so active its effect.
Yeah, shit aside.
Can't be killer. Who's kidding?
No, wait, think that word.
Doesn't matter if you exceed the enemies.
Yeah, back row is pretty scary.
Good job.
It's not my hand. I was ready to get looped.
Good job.
I was waiting for it.
No, I'd need a shark.
You had one over there, go.
I need a shark factory, that's why I need 3 factories.
You only have like 2, right?
Yeah, better shark.
Factory's coming as a common. And the next
Set
Common, I
Avarice.
thought it was rare.
Spark the Avarice!
Awesome. How do you know this? You don't even play this.
I never
Shut up,
liked
shut up, shut up, shut up, shut up,
It's
shut
all
up.
over my fucking Facebook feed.
I haven't seen this.
What?
Backwards.
So disappointing.
What is it? Rares. Comments. That's all I want to know.
There isn't comments aren't good either. They're a bunch of rock stuff, and the statues. Yeah, the statue of blessing and the statue of curse or disaster. Yeah.
Justin, disappointed.
Huh?
Did you tap a Chaos
The
Monster?
thing was this. Do I lose the material? Yeah, I bounce with rabbit.
Is it reborn? Yes!
Don't have one.
Yes! We're all winners!
Don't have one.
Yeah, I'd rather just.
Alright, go.
Oh, you fuck you. Thank it.
What? What?
Chat top decks a pot of avarice.
Why did you go metal? No! It's the combo of the deck. No! You go metal bronze sword.
No.
No!
Oh my fucking god.
I don't need carriers.
Man, I want Chad to win. I'm sorry.
Oh, because that's your box.
Good play.
Good play, Vegas.
That guy.
That was pretty funny though. I look like
It's like,
reborn metal. Reborn metal.
can I put this in front in the time being and say, please stand by? Please.
You're gonna draw Jim Crow Baylor.
I need a tour guide, a rat.
64.
So tour guide, rat,
Whatever you want, you're in it right.
something, and an instant fusion. It's like trying to draw a loop right now.
That one.
That's what I'm going for.
Just go see that on the video later.
I'll tag myself in that.
No.
No, you're Baylor.
I did it.
It's okay, you can get it.
Okay, Chad shuffles back,
Double Veiler.
and he drew.
Double
What are you
Veiler.
doing?
I guess I can kill it. Go.
Who draws a card to set? Vegas draws.
Attack.
Oh, just kidding.
Go. Doing this in my hand.
Oh, now I draw you.
Okay.
Chad summons tour guide from the underworld. Just, you know, so everybody knows.
Score's gone.
Take these dice to
What's
Nats.
life at?
64, 64.
Fuck. Go chat.
Yeah, and that's an 8.
Chad exceeds summons tour guide into Acid Golem and swings for 3,000.
Go.
What's up? 6.
Watch out. I'll roll 1 dice and win.
You didn't win, we tied. Shut up. No, you said you rolled 1 die and beat me. You
Ten
didn't.
tempo, what are you doing? He's so much better right now.
Yeah, because he's...
He detaches.
Man, I don't even want to kill an MST. Fuck that.
Pretty good.
One of them is MST, I'll tell you that.
That's where it was.
Not this guy.
You thought you like
One of them is MST.
dropped it on the island and come pick it up. The bowling alley.
Okay, so...
You detach one to detach one.
Go.
That's all it
Oh,
does. And then he
he's
gains
brave.
Mill.
Mill.
Oh.
I use him in this deck.
What he'll be at?
Flip.
Supposed to be nice.
What am I at?
47.
No, that's not.
Or you can go Leviathan and run over my other guy.
Well, I'd either say... This is right, this is right.
This was that guy. You can't use Regeki. Oh, well, I was using Lightning Vortex and I realized this card is so much better. Yeah, because it's banned.
The guy comes to me. Forget Pan's like Superman. He's like, oh.
I think the same guy was using Japanese.
Was he? Well, that one guy was like, you can't use foreign cards. I was like, yeah, you can as long as
I've
they're
ever
not
seen get away with that is Jonathan, because I really didn't care.
What?
Using Japanese cards.
Him?
Yeah, he uses Polish Braille in number 1.
Because they're pretty, yeah.
Vegas top something.
Every time I have this Japanese, I have to roll into.
So activate your MST already.
Anybody ignores me
So
anyway.
you stop it.
Shark effects.
You're gonna say
Attack.
Magician, shark
Is he 1,000?
Yeah. I thought it was 15. I'm looking at the fence.
I'll take 27. Just give me a rat.
What? Shark again?
I'll give you a token.
But I have so many dead draws right now.
It comes in defense.
Oh, my MST.
Still, you're going to make this a level
Right.
3. You're going to grab back the hunter. You're going to strip a card.
Oh, you can't warn it.
And how am I grabbing back the hunter?
2,000.
Doesn't matter.
Too early, Grave.
Mike Drill. Mike Drill. Mike Drill. Mike Drill.
Go.
You already drew it earlier.
A freaking rat! Jeez! What are you at?
34.
34.
Gonna bring back Shark, special Shark, and go. Andres doesn't kill it. Oh wait, Andres killed it.
Yeah, Tears doesn't kill it.
They get sent, not discarded.
Both 5s.
Great.
Top deck the Chaos Monster.
He needs a... Go. Come on, you're reborn.
No! I don't have enough.
This thing's gonna be at 3,000.
Dragon. He tapped a future?
I don't.
Yeah, I tapped it. I know that was